Now let's review what we have learned. You can pause the video if you need more time to answer the questions. Let's begin. This is a method of dividing a number using drawings or pictures of rows and columns. The answer is grid method or array method. Using the grid method, what is 20 divided by 4? The answer is 5. So how did we come up with this answer? Here, we're given a grid that has 20 boxes in it. Now, since we know that the grid has a height of 4 boxes, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, then we can see that the grid or the array is 5 boxes long. So the answer is 5. Or another way of looking at this is we divide the grid, which has 20 boxes in it, into several parts that have exactly 4 boxes in them. And then we count the number of parts that have exactly 4 boxes in them. And from here, we can see that we were able to create 5 parts. And that is the answer to 20 divided by 4. Find the missing number. 6 times blank is equal to 12. The answer is 2. So how did we come up with this answer? There are 2 ways for this. We could either just divide 12 by 6, which we know is 2, or we can draw a grid that has 12 boxes in it and is 6 boxes long. So in order for this grid or this array to have 12 boxes in it, then we should have a height of 2. 1, 2. So by doing these methods, we would find the answer is 2. Was this lesson helpful? Go share it now to your family and friends by tapping or clicking the share button. Here are videos and playlists you could watch also. Keep on learning!